Morning, my dear students. In the last class, I explained 4.2, the rise of the new religions factors. What are the main factors of the rise of new religion in the 6th century BCE? So in the now we start the Jainism. I told there are the two religions were rise in the 6th century BCE, that is the Jainism and Buddhism. Now first we go to study the Jainism. Jainism, this is the oldest religion in India. The Jainist peoples were believed that there are 24 Tirthankaras. How many Tirthankaras means there are the 24 Tirthankaras. In that 24 Tirthankara, who was the first Tirthankara and who was the 23rd Tirthankara and who was the 24th Tirthankara? First Tirthankara, Rishabhanatha. One last question, who was the first Tirthankara means Rishabhanatha, and who was the 24th Tirthankara means 24th Tirthankara Parshvanatha. He was the 24th Parshvanatha. Parshvanatha, he was the 24th Tirthankara, and 24th Tirthankara Vardhamana Mahavira. Vardhamana Mahavira. One last question, listen once again, my dear students. Jainism were believed that the 24th Tirthankara, in that 24th Tirthankara, first Tirthankara Rishabhanatha, some people will consider he was the founder of Jainism, and 23rd Tirthankara Parshvanatha, and 24th Tirthankara Vardhamana Mahavira. According to your chapter, we explained that the Vardhamana Mahavira's early life and his principles. So, what are them? In before Parshvanatha, he was the 23rd Tirthankara. So, he was also a very famous Tirthankara, and he know that he was introduced the some principles. What are the main principles? Means he introduced the Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha. These are the 4 principles of Parshvanatha. Now we go to study the Vardhamana Mahavira. Vardhamana Mahavira spread 599 to 527 BCE. His early life, Vardhamana's early life. What is the early life of Vardhamana Mahavira? Vardhamana Mahavira, he was born in 599 BCE. When he was born means he was born in 599 BCE in Kundagrama. Kundagrama near Vaishali. So one last question. When and where he was born means he was born in 599 BCE in Kundagrama near Vaishali. Name his parents. Father name is Siddhartha. Mother name is Trishila Devi. Trishila Devi. Father name is Siddhartha, and mother name is Trishila Devi. He was a client. He was a king. He was a very famous king of Kshatriya, who was means Siddhartha. So, Vardhamana Mahavira, he was married at the age of 18. Vardhamana Mahavira, he was married at the age of 18. Yashodhara, his wife name is Yashodhara. Name the wife of Vardhamana Mahavira means Yashodhara. After he got a child, he got a daughter, name is Priyadarshini. Are you understood? Early life. He was born in 599 BC in Kundagrama near Vaishali. His father name is Siddhartha, mother name is Trishila Devi. At the age of 18, he was married Yashoda. His daughter name is Priyadarshini. Now, next some days after he lost his parents, Siddhartha and Trishula Devi, so he was become a sannyasi. He left his family after Mahavardhamana. He was left his family. He became a sannyasi. He was searching for the truth. What he was searching? Truth. He was searching for the truth. So after he was searching for the truth, so he was doing the meditation at 13 years. How many years he was doing the meditation? He was doing the meditation in 13 years. After the 13 years, when he got the enlightenment, ಈತನಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ he got the enlightenment on the 10th day of Vaishaka. On the 10th day of Vaishaka, Vardhamana, he got a enlightenment at Jumbika Grama. Jumbika Grama. One last question. Vardhamana, where he got a enlightenment means he got a enlightenment at Jumbika Grama near Bihar. Where it is Jumbika Grama means it is in Bihar. He got a enlightenment. Next, after he got the enlightenment, the spiritual knowledge, that knowledge is called Kaivalya. He got a knowledge, spiritual knowledge, that is called Kaivalya. Kaivalya and become a Kevalin. Kaivalya will become a Kevalin. Kevalin or Jina. Are you understood? So when he got the enlightenment, Vardhamana, when he got the enlightenment, that is the spiritual knowledge is called Kaivalya. After it Kaivalya will become a Kevalin or Jina. Jina means conquered, who had a scheduled his position. Next, after he got the knowledge or spiritual knowledge, after he got another name, Mahavira. Are you understood? So first name is Vardhamana. When he got the enlightenment, after he became another name Mahavira. Totally his name is called Vardhamana Mahavira. Next, Vardhamana Mahavira, he was he was nirvana at Pava. ಅವರು ಮರಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ he was ನಿರ್ವಾಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮರಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು. ವರ್ಧಮಾನ ಮಹಾವೀರ, he was nirvana at Pava near Rajagruha at the age of 72. At the age of 72, Vardhamana Mahavira got nirvana at Pava. Next, his teaching. Teaching of Vardhamana Mahavira. What he was teaching? Already I explained the Parshvanatha. He was introduced the 4 principles. What is the 4 principles means? Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha. So same thing, Vardhamana Mahavira, he was also following the Parshvanatha's principles. After one more he was added. What is that means? Brahmacharya. Principles. Mahavira's principles. Teaching of the Mahavira means his principles. First one. Great views of principles means principles. Principles. What is that principles means? Satya, Ahimsa. Second one, Satya, Ahimsa. Third one, Asteya. Fourth one, Aparigraha. Last one, Brahmacharya. These are the 5 principles. How many principles Vardhamana Mahavira introduced? Means he was introduced the 5 principles: Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya, Aparigraha, Brahmacharya. What is that? The Satya means truth. Satya means truth. Ahimsa means non-violence. Ahimsa means non-violence. Asteya means non-stealing. Aparigraha means non-person or property more than required. Last one, Brahmacharya means chastity. Chastity. These are the 5 principles who were introduced means Vardhamana Mahavira. Next point, jewels. What is that? The jewels means? Jewels means Abhanala. There are the 3 jewels of the 3 Ratnas. Jewels. 3 jewels. Three jewels of 3 Ratna. What are the 3 jewels of 3 Ratnas? Means is 2 marks question: a right knowledge, a right conduct, last one, a right faith. There are the 3 jewels or 3 Ratnas. What are the 3 jewels of 3 Ratnas? Means right knowledge, right conduct, right faith. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಡತೆ. Next, Vardhamana Mahavira, he was believed that he was opposed to the idealership, and he was believed that the soul. Thank you, students. In the next class, I will explain the another chapter.